Cool.
It's like this. So it's easy to break. Then maybe once or 1 hour, he get the shoot from here to slowly.
So cool. So they use plant oil to make soot.
Timing.
That was good timing.
Yeah. Once or five.
That is such a massive job to
Seed oil is correct?
grapeseed.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Sesame oil, radish oil,
Sesame oil, radish oil, camel oil. You said. Yeah.
going to the melt.
Mm.
Melt, correct?
Yeah.
Melt. So this is the Nikawa gelatin.
You call it mikava.
Yeah,
Yeah.
Nikawa.
Is
So
this? Yeah. This is. Yeah. This is waiting to be melted.
Yeah. That one, gelatin. Yeah? How to say gelatin?
Gelatin.
Gelatin.
Yeah.
Gelatin. Yeah, this is protein, like a protein.
The cartilage. Cartilage. I think. Yeah.
Like skin,
Okay.
cow, like horse, like deer,
Okay.
and like a donkey.
Okay.
Different gelatin. Yeah.
Yeah. I understand what you.
Yeah. But gelatin is like a protein, So like a little bit easy to go off, rotten.
Yeah.
Rotten.
Yeah.
So that's why we can make ink only winter time.
Okay.
So summertime we don't making ink.
You.
Little bit smelling, little bit. So that's why you put the
Okay.
perfume. Yeah, this is from comfort tree.
From
Comfort tree.
comfort tree.
Comfort tree.
Okay.
Okay, and this is. This is a special deer
Okay.
boy's testicles.
Okay. Interesting.
Like a pheromone.
Okay.
Everybody, yeah. Good, you good. And also we using the this. This is in the sea. Like well, do you know well? Special well. Okay. Well.
Okay. From a whale.
Yeah, well.
Whale. Okay.
Well, eating a squid or octopus,
Okay.
but they can digestion properly. Then they go to the stone.
Okay. Okay.
Vegetable oil, sesame oil. I think this was plum.
Plum as well.
No plum. Like a box. Did you see the box in the shop?
Yeah.
Yeah. That tree. That
Okay.
Tree, yeah, oil.
Okay.
Yeah, and then this is the same way to mix. This one for more bluish.
Yeah. How much is it supposed to weigh?
This small one,
Yeah.
15 gram.
15 gram.
1.5.
1.5.
Yeah, 1.5. Yeah, 1.5. So, this is mold.
This is the mold. Yeah.
This is a pear tree.
Pear tree.
Yeah, because it's hard and strong
Yeah.
and not much rain, so carving. Yeah, we have to carving for like this. They put this one. Okay. then, yeah, then. Okay. Then to dry. We're gonna see now, okay? So the water is slowly, 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 slowly.
Okay.
So here ink is maybe 100 ink. Every day moving the ink for out of the water.
Okay.
Because if once the water cracking or like different type.
You have to keep it, kind of fresh.
Yeah. But it depends on the weather, like snowing or rainy or fine. So different moisturing, no moisture.
Different moisture
Moisturing.
or humidity.
Humidity. Dry up. Sorry.
Okay.
Yeah.
Ink drying.
Drying. Yeah. Shine. Yeah.